Today, we're diving into Grok Studio, an awesome AI tool from XAI. So, first off, what exactly are we talking about? Grok Studio is a new environment built within the Grok AI platform by XAI. This bar, you've got some really helpful tools. There's an attachment icon. Just click it, and you can upload files or even connect your Google Drive or OneDrive. Super handy if you're working with documents. Then, there's this awesome deep search option. If you need deeper answers or stronger reasoning, you can choose between advanced or extended search. It's all about getting better results. And right next to that, there's a little think button if you want Grok to slow down and think more carefully before answering. Honestly, I love this feature. Over here on the right, you'll see the model picker. By default, you're using Grok 3. You can also enable search or disable. Now, if you look just below the input bar, there's a row of quick shortcuts. You can create images, edit images, do research, find how-to guides, check out the latest news, or use something really fun called personas. Personas let you tell Grok to act a certain way, like a homework helper, a doctor, a therapist, whatever you need. And last but not least, over here on the right, you'll see the brand new Workspaces feature. Workspaces are like little hubs where you can organize your files, your chats, even give Grok special instructions just for that project. It's amazing for keeping everything neat and in one place. But what I'm really excited about is the Canvas feature. When you ask Grok to generate content like reports or documents, it opens in a separate Canvas window on the right. Let's try generating a blog post about a popular topic, the benefits of mindfulness. My prompt is, write a short blog post about the benefits of mindfulness for daily life, including practical tips. I'll hit enter. As you can see, it generates the blog post seamlessly right here in the canvas. It includes headings and a clear structure. The great thing is, you can edit this like a document. You can change headings, bold text, underline it, make it italic, add bullet points. All the basic formatting tools are here. You can also easily copy the content or download the file. Now let's look at the code execution feature. This is another big addition. Grok can generate code, and you can actually see a preview of how it runs in a separate tab within the canvas. For this test, I'm going to ask Grok to create a simple browser game. This really shows off the ability to generate interactive applications. Prompt: create a simple browser game where the player controls a violet circle to collect yellow stars, aiming to reach a score of 100 within 30 seconds to win. If the player reaches 100 points in time, a green "Congratulations, you win" message appears. If they fail to reach 100 points within 30 seconds, a red "Game over. You lose." Host: I'll make sure search is enabled and hit enter. See how Grok is thinking step by step? It's outlining the process and the requirements for the game. This thought process is really helpful. And there it is. Below is the complete code for the simple browser game. The cool part is, you can edit the code directly in the Code tab and see if your changes impact the output. You can also download the code file directly. While the full execution environment for complex scripts might evolve, being able to generate and preview basic code is a strong start. Finally, let's look at the Google Drive integration. In the attachment options, you now see Add from Google Drive and even connect Microsoft OneDrive. If I click Add from Google Drive, it opens a window where I can select files from my connected Google Drive. Let's select the file. Now in the chat, you see the file is attached. Let's see what's inside it. Now I'll ask Grok to read the content. Read the content of the attached Google Drive file and hit enter. It correctly reads the content. Now let's try something else. Can Grok write to the file? I'll ask it to summarize the notes and add the summary back to the file. Prompt: summarize the content of the attached file and add the summary to the end of the file. Grok generates a summary here in the chat. However, if we check the Google Drive file again, you can see that the new summary was not added to the file. Next, we're testing Grok's image generation. First prompt: generate a fantasy art style image of a cat wearing a crown and reading a book in a magical library. Let's see what it makes. Okay, we got two good images. They look like the magical library scene. Second prompt: let's try another prompt. Create a cartoon-style image of happy penguins having a dance party. Cool! We got two images of the dancing penguins. The pictures are really cute and look like a fun party. So Grok 3 can create some really nice and quick images based on what you tell it. Overall, Grok Studio is a fantastic addition to the platform. As you can see, Grok is constantly evolving and becoming an even more versatile tool. I'm really looking forward to seeing what features they add next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.